Does a video showing a muzzle flash, smoke, and sparks from a bullet hitting pavement accurately show the handgun taken from Alex Pretti misfiring just before he was fatally shot by ICE agents in Minneapolis? No, that's not true. The short video was created by an artificial intelligence tool, although based on a real video of that moment. The social media post that shared the video said it was AI enhanced, which means blurring and overall quality is improved. It should be labeled AI generated because it added the muzzle flash, smoke, and sparks not seen in the original, as well as changing the scene significantly. So what did we learn from this fact check?